So now let us look at how we can apply the addition and subtraction rules when it comes to directed numbers, when it comes to signs of addition and subtraction. Now, there's always a tendency of students confusing the multiplication law, which we did earlier, with the addition and subtraction law. Now, let me tell you why or how you can identify this addition and subtraction law. It's very easy to identify. How you know it is that you have a sign, maybe plus or minus starting. You have a number follow. You have another sign again follow, and then you have a number. Let's say something like this. So anytime you see something like this, know that you are dealing with addition and subtraction. No other thing is being added. But whenever you begin to see something like this, plus 2, you have minus plus, this has altered the pattern. So the pattern is there is a sign, there is a number, there is a sign, there is a number, there is a sign, there is a number. So the pattern is alternating between signs and numbers. That tells you that what you are going to apply is addition and the subtraction rule. But whenever you see pattern like this, plus 2 minus plus, the pattern has changed. Know that there is a multiplication law somewhere. Or whenever you see a bracket open, know that it's also what? A multiplication law somewhere. Or you see division is a multiplication law. So this is the only pattern that is for addition and subtraction. So this addition and subtraction has its own rules. Its own rules. Now let's call let this one be my example 1. So let's do my example 1, and then let me get my example 2, minus 2 minus 7. Let's do my example 2. Now the rule is this. Just take note of this rule. Just write it down in your jotter. Okay, now the rule is this. Remember, you are first of all, you've identified the pattern: sign, a number, sign, a number. It continues. If it is more, sign, a number. That's the pattern. Now, anytime you discover that all the signs are identical, it's very easy. Just add the two numbers involved, 2 plus 7, that is 9, and then put that common sign. So even if you are having minus 3, minus 6, minus 10, minus 2, as long as you can see, this is the pattern of addition and subtraction. Sign, number, sign, number, sign, number, sign. Once their signs are all the same, add them together. 3 plus 6, 9 plus this, 19 plus 2, 21. You put that common sign. So this rule applies when the signs are the same. Is that clear? Now, whenever the signs are different, like this one now, this first one, you can see we have plus 2. Let me put this well, plus 2 minus 3. Now, whenever the signs are the same, do subtraction. Remember, when the signs are the same, we do addition. Whenever they are not the same, when they are different, do subtraction. So whenever they are not the same, like here, plus and minus, do subtraction. So anyone that comes first, just take the bigger one, subtract the smaller one. So between 3 and 2, 3 is bigger. So do 3 minus 2, that is what? 1. Now, any sign that is in front of the bigger number, that is what your answer must carry. So that is the rule that is governing addition and subtraction. So let me add one more. So let's assume you are given 6 minus 15. Look at this. Now remember, even though there is no sign here in mathematics, they normally do not put the first sign. If it is positive, is always ignored. But you should notice that there is a plus sign here. So this is plus number minus, which is sign. And so now let's look at this is plus 6 minus 15. Remember, there are different signs. The sign here is plus, the sign here is minus. The rule is that anytime they have different signs, do subtraction. Take the bigger one minus the smaller one. So 15 minus 6, that will give us 9. And then the bigger sign, the sign in front of the bigger number is minus. So my answer is minus 9. You get that now? Okay, so let me do one more again. Let's assume we are having 20 minus 5 plus 35. Let's look at this one. You can see the pattern: sign, number, sign, number, sign, number. They are alternating. That tells you that we are going to use addition and subtraction rule. Okay, so now don't rush and do everything at the same time. You can just take them, two. So let's solve these two first. The sign here is plus, right? So this is plus 20 minus 5. You already know 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. So we have 15 plus 35, and then 15 plus 35, this is going to give us what? 50. So that is how to solve something like that. So I guess I've done justice to this. Please attempt some questions and then let me know. Okay, have a great day. Bye. Let me show my face so that I see how I look like. Bye.